custom email field tailored for your business need. So with our new update, create email custom fields that suits your business requirements and generate more meaningful outcomes. Now, right now, this becomes really flexible, efficient, and intuitive. So this is fairly very easy, right? Because we have so many different field types for custom fields. So we'll be going through that also one by one. So yes. So let's first of all go to the custom field section. Here under general preferences itself, you'll be able to see the custom fields. So I'm selecting the custom field. So here, I'll be trying to create a new custom field. And the type is, let the type stay for the customer itself, or maybe for an invoice that they're creating, or anything like that. And yes, the field name, manager email, or something like that. I can provide the field name like that. And now we are aware that we have a bunch of different field types, starting from text box, numbers, drop down, text area, date, so and so. And right now we have bought an email. So we assign the field type as email. We're not keeping any default values there. Show in bill view not enabled. It's not mandatory. And maybe, yes, we can include it in all forms while we're trying to create a new customer. So I'm submitting. So here you can see that the manager email has already, okay, I've already created it. So the one that I've created right now, maybe I'll delete this. Or maybe I'll edit this and I'll keep it as new. So we have two different names. All right. So none of the fields I've created is mandatory, right? And we have a manager email new and a manager email custom field created. So let's go to the customer view, list view page. And here I'll be creating a new customer. So see, I'll be able to use all the three of my forms because right now I have not assigned any, not the forms, the series, because I haven't assigned any series to me. So I can create a new customer, Harish, and let me just keep the GST registration type as a consumer, not going to give any other values. And on the left side, you can see the manager email and the manager email new. Now, the manager email I've created and the manager email new, both field types are email itself. So if I'm adding any kind of particular value into these fields, then there should be a validation, right? So let's see if you're adding some random value into these fields, whether EalSuite is picking it out and showing us whether there's an error or not. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'll put some random things into it, like this. Yes, it is picking it up, and it is showing that please enter a valid email address. So that is really important. It is definitely showing. So I need to add something in an email format itself. So let's do one thing. It's .yk@gmail.com. Okay, so it's working fine right now. And if I click on save, yes, it is getting saved. So Harish, a new customer has been created. You can see the customer ID here. It was created, the time, date, everything is mentioned. But what can we do? We can go to the custom field section and we will check. For manager email, which we have created right now, I haven't added any particular value, so it stays as NA. But the one which I've already edited, which I've already created earlier on, which was already present here, I added value to it and it is present right here. So you will be able to see it. So the validation is present just the way when we add email address, usually to a customer, right? Which is really important, right? Because you don't want to add any wrong data into an email field. So EalSuite right now have introduced an email field type for new custom fields that we can create. And we have also provided proper data validation there as well.